Do you like baking? I sure do. Here are some words for important baking tools.
Measuring cups. The smaller ones are called measuring spoons. A spatula. These are great for mixing your batter and spreading stuff like icing. A whisk helps make the batter light and fluffy. The next one is a rolling pin. It's really important to mix the dough well and to get cookies. There are all kinds of baking pans. The top one is a square cake pan. The bottom is a loaf pan for bread. Mixers are also really important. You can get a standing mixer or a hand mixer. Of course, you have to have an oven. Remember, the top part of this is called a stove. Only the part you put stuff into is called the oven. Finally, mixing bowls. These usually come in a set with all different sizes. Can you think of anything else you need for baking? Let us know down below, and please like, follow, and share this video if it helped. Thanks for watching!